Hello guys, welcome back to another cooking video. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some spicy patty fish. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, here are some of the cod fish that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and I'll go ahead and clean up the fish. I will be right back. So now I've cleaned up my fish. I'm going to be using some paper napkin to dry up all the water away from the fish. Then I will marinate the fish with some salt and lemon. I don't like spicing my fish with too much spices. I just want to feel that real taste of the fish. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and remember to set that notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video, and also to be a part of this amazing cooking family. Thank you so much if you do that. So now I'm going to cover the fish. I will leave it for about 10 minutes to marinate very well. So here are the vegetables I'm going to be using. I'll be using some fresh tomatoes, some bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, and some scotch bonnet. I'll go ahead and clean up all the vegetables. So now I've cleaned up all the vegetables. I've taken off the seed away from the tomatoes because I don't want too much liquid inside my spicy sauce. And I'm going to be using my food processor to blend the other ones. And now I'm going to be chopping the tomatoes into tiny size. So I'm going to be using my food processor to blend the other vegetable, that is the bell peppers, onions, and scotch bonnet, into a rough paste because I don't want it to be too smooth. So here are the blended pepper and the chopped tomatoes. I'm putting them in the filter because I want all the water to drop out of them. So here are the spices that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll be needing some seasoning cubes, salt, paprika, garlic, rosemary, onions, curry, and some vegetable oil. It's time for me now to fry the fish. I'll be adding the vegetable oil into my pan. I'm going to add onions, garlic. I'll add rosemary. I'm going to fry all this for 2 minutes. This will add more aroma to the fish. Then I'll add the fish. Make sure you allow the fish to fry for some minutes before you flip the other side. So now the fish is ready. I'm going to repeat the same process again until I finish frying all the fish. So guys, as you can see, I've finished frying all the fish. I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to be making the spicy sauce. I'll be using the same oil that I used to fry the fish. That will add more taste and aroma to this recipe. I will be adding curry, paprika, then I'm going to saute for 1 minute. Make sure you stir everything together very well, then you allow it to cook for 1 minute. So now I'm going to be adding the chopped tomatoes. Then I'll add the blended pepper. I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'll add seasoning, salt. Now I'm going to allow it to cook. So guys, as you can see, our spicy sauce is ready. So now I'm going to be taking some of the sauce away because I don't want the sauce to overshadow the fish. Maybe I'll be needing it later. And also, I'm going to be taking some of the oil away, because you really need a lot of oil to fry the vegetables. But if you like, you can leave it, but I don't really like too much oil, so I'm just going to take all the excess oil away. So now I'll be adding the fish, and I don't want to overcrowd the fish. That is why I'm using a wide pan. If you have a wide pan, it's very good for this recipe because you don't want your fish to break up. I'm just going to flip the other side of the fish. I'm going to make sure I mix the fish and the sauce together very well because you want the sauce to penetrate inside the fish. When you are eating the fish, you feel that taste of the spicy sauce in the fish. I'm going to add more of the sauce because I want the fish to absorb the sauce. That will make you feel the real taste of that sauce inside the fish. So now I'm just going to garnish it with some red and green bell peppers. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together. Then I'll allow it to cook for just 1 minute. Then I'll add some onions to give it this nice, beautiful look. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and you can as well share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and set that notification bell icon to all. And I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.